Now let us discuss Clausius-Mossotti equation. This equation is applicable for three-dimensional dielectric solid which has cubic crystal structure. So let us consider such a material. For such a material, we know that the internal field is the Lorentz field given by the applied field plus polarization P divided by 3 epsilon naught. Now let us consider the equations for polarization, which is given by two different definitions. One is P is equal to N alpha EI. Here N is the number of atoms per unit volume, alpha is the polarizability, EI is the internal field. Similarly, let us consider another definition of polarization, which is given by P is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r minus 1 into applied field. Now combining these three equations, we can get the equation that is the Clausius-Mossotti equation. For this, let us first consider the equation 2 and 3. From 2 and 3 we can write both of them equal to one another, that is N alpha EI is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r minus 1 into E applied, or I transfer epsilon naught over here and also bring internal field EI over here, and this internal field I can write using the equation 1 as E applied plus P by 3 epsilon naught. Again we have a term here for polarization which can be substituted equation using equation 3. So substitute from equation 3 in this here and simplify this. So E applied gets cancelled. This you can simplify here and we get this term. 3 can be brought over here, so you can write N alpha by 3 epsilon naught is equal to epsilon r minus 1 divided by epsilon r plus 2. So this is known as the Clausius-Mossotti equation, which is, remember, applicable only for solid dielectrics, elemental solid dielectrics having cubic crystal structure. Here we see the importance of the equation. This equation is that on the right hand side we have the term epsilon r, the dielectric constant, which represents the macroscopic structure of the material. On the left hand side we have the polarizability alpha, which represents the microscopic structure. So both the structure microscopic parameter and the macroscopic parameter are related by this equation. That is the importance of this equation.